Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save and embed your CTA bar. So right here I'm in the final tab. This is the embed tab. After you've finished all your settings for setup, settings, desktop, and mobile, you're going to go over here to the embed code tab. And before receiving your embed code, first thing you're going to have to do is save. And that's going to make your embed code appear. So I'm going to click on save. Save successfully. So I'm going to go back here now to the embed code tab. As you can see, it now has appeared. All right, now where this code is going to go is going to be in the header of your website. Now, depending on what type of website you have, it can be a little bit different on where exactly you're going to go find the header and where you're going to place it, but it's always going to have to be in the header of your website. So what I'm going to cover in this video is going to be a basic HTML site where you can put it in the header using cPanel or FTP. Next, I'm going to show you on a basic WordPress site which does not have an advanced theme but has a basic theme on it. And lastly, I'm going to show you in an advanced WordPress theme, and that's going to be Optimized Press 2. And an important thing to note here is that depending on what type of WordPress theme you have, it might be in a different location. But if you have a different theme that I didn't mention here, and you're not sure where to put it inside your header, you can simply contact whoever controls that theme or support for that theme and ask them where it is that you're going to place the code. And this is a script that's going to go into the header of that website. Okay, so I just copied this, and let's go ahead into cPanel first off. Now you can do it, like I said, through cPanel in the file manager or through FTP. It'll be the same thing. I'm just going to do it through file manager. So now that I'm in here, I'm going to go into my index. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to edit. All right, now where you're going to want to put it, so you can see that my header tag starts right here, and I'm going to put it just before the closing of my header tag. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can see here that my header tag ends right here, and right now I already have a code here, and this is the script right here for CTABar. So I'm going to put my new one in, and there we go. That's my new code. So just to show you guys, I'll put some spaces to isolate it so you guys can see where it really is. And this right here is my CTABar code that I put just before the close of my header tag. This would be exactly the same if you access it through FTP, except that you would just access your index file from there. Next, I'm going to go over here into a basic WordPress site. So in the Appearance tab, you're going to want to click on Editor, which will take me here, and then I'm going to look here for the header.php file, and that's the file you're going to need to edit. Now you can put that script anywhere you want in this header file. Just make sure that it's not interfering with any other tags you might have here. So right now I have it right here in this section, so I'll put my new code, and there it is. So as long as you don't interfere with any other tags, I just have it isolated here, it's going to work. All right, and lastly I'm going to show you an Optimized Press 2. So you're going to want to go into the live editor of any one of your pages, it doesn't matter. All right, so it's going to be different than on a basic WordPress site. So you're going to want to click on Page Settings. And you can see here it says Other Scripts. I'll click on that. And now below here you see that I already have a script here, but I don't want to interfere with this one. I want to put a new one, and also I want it to be in the header. So I'm going to click on Add New. And you can see here that by default it's going to say header, which is perfect. I don't want it to be in the footer or custom CSS. I want to put it in the header. And this is where I would paste in my CTABar code, and I would click on Update to save it. Now if you guys are not sure how to access your header in any one of the three kinds that I have, or if you have a different type of site and you have a site manager or a programmer or someone who does this stuff for you, just simply tell them that it must be located in the header of your website for it to work. And of course, in CTABar user panel, you need to add that URL where you're going to have the CTABar on. All right, thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.